Hello everyone, this is day one of teaching Python. Today we're gonna see about how to write Python and Python syntax, output, and comments. First we'll start with Python syntax. So to execute a Python syntax, you will have to write a print line. So you'll start with print, then put open parentheses, open quote, write whatever you want, close quote, and close parentheses. So this is what you will have to write. And once you execute it and run the code, then it will print whatever you said inside that. So in this case, you write print, open parentheses, open quote, hello world, close quote, close parentheses. So it will print hello world. So let's do indentation. So you will always have to write an indent. So in this case, let's say if we don't have an indent, just like this, and we run this, it will not work. As you see, it gave us a wrong answer. So instead, on the beginning, you'll just click tab one time and then run it. And after you do that, it works perfectly fine. 5 is greater than 2. Okay. It just says that you need an indent over here, otherwise it won't work. Let's do this one. Over here, you just need, as you see, you need to indent both places. Okay? Okay, and you have to use the same number of spaces in same block, otherwise Python will give you an error. So if we do this, it will say an error. So all you have to really do is put a tab over here, and on the bottom also put another tab, and it should work perfectly fine. As you see, it worked. Okay, now let's do Python output. In this, you can write many different lines of the same thing, like print hello world, print I am learning Python, it is awesome. So yeah, you can do that. And when you do this, everything will be like how you wrote it. But if you write more stuff over here, like hi, hi, this is so cool. And then it will write that on the same line. Okay? And then you can use either double quotes or a single quote. Doesn't really matter. But all you have to do is make sure you start with the same type of quote on both sides. Start and end with the same quote. So over here you start with a single quote and end with a single quote. But if you write single quote, double quote, it will not work. It gives an error. Okay? Let's do printing numbers. Printing numbers. You don't have to put it in parentheses. You actually, sorry, my bad. You do have to put it in parentheses. You don't have to put it in quotes. Okay? And if you want to do like math, you just have to not put the quotations and it will solve it for you as long as you put the operation you're doing. But if you put it in quotes, let's say, like this, it will write the whole thing. It'll just write 3 plus 3. Okay? And Python comments. Comments are pretty simple. All you have to do is put a hashtag before anything, like hashtag there. And now, let's see before it, when you run it, it'll say hello world. But as soon as you put the, once you put the hashtag, it turns gray. And when you run it, it will not do anything. It'll just be a blank thing. Yeah, it doesn't really have anything to say, so that's why it can't do anything. But if we write print hi, now it will not print hello world. It'll just print hi. Wait, don't print hi. Now I will just write hi, okay? And that's it for day one. If you want to learn more, come back tomorrow and I'll teach you something new, maybe Python variable and data types. Thanks for watching. Meet you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe. Till then, bye.